What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from drab to fab in literally 5 minutes. And I'm gonna use all drugstore products to do it. I already have my hair like back and out of the way. I'm ready to get this tutorial started. I'm so excited to do this, just chilled, laid back, everyday sort of makeup tutorial, because this is the kind of makeup that I literally do probably like 5 days out of a 7-day week. Like, I do not do full glam every day, although some days I don't wear any makeup at all. But when I wanna look put together, but I don't wanna spend a lot of time, this is what I do. And it's gonna be all drugstore, so it's super affordable as well. This is great for like work, school, if you're running late, like literally anything. So I think you guys are really gonna like today's video. As always, please be sure to subscribe if you have not already. It would mean so much to me. You guys know where the subscribe button is. It's right down below. Just click it. Today seems like a good day to subscribe. Ew, that was so cheesy, I hate it. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. On the daily, especially when I'm running late and I have to do my makeup super quick, I skip right over primer, which I know kind of seems like a makeup faux pas, but honestly, as long as you moisturize your skin, then your moisturizer can act as your primer and you don't necessarily have to use another one. So we are gonna jump right in with foundation, and one of my faves is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This one is in the shade Golden Beige. Why I really love this, I'm gonna shake it up as I'm telling you guys, because you gotta shake this baby before you use it. Why I really love this foundation, especially when I'm in a hurry, is because of the applicator. So you don't have to get any of your hands dirty, because you can just use the applicator to put it right on your face. So it's quicker than even foundations that have pumps and stuff where you have to pump it out on your finger and then apply to your face. This just makes it an all-in-one sort of thing. So whenever I'm really in a rush, this is always the foundation that I do go for. And then I'm just gonna go in and blend that out with a beauty blender. This is always the quickest way for me personally to be able to blend out any liquid product, whether it's foundation, concealer, whatever. I always find that the beauty blender does blend it out the quickest. Up next, we're gonna jump in and conceal, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So this again has a wand applicator, so I'm just gonna apply this anywhere that I need it, which is right beneath my under eyes and on any blemishes that I may have, which I actually have one around my nose today. But I like to really only focus concealers on the areas I really need it on a daily basis. And then again, just going in and blending that all out with a dampened beauty blender. And if you guys want a drugstore version of this, the Real Techniques beauty sponge is amazing as well. I just don't have one on hand to be able to show you guys. Elf makes one too. I'm trying to think of any other like drugstore brands. Oh, and L'Oreal as well. I like theirs. I just literally only had a beauty blender, so that's what I'm using today, but there are definitely some really great drugstore options. To go ahead and set everywhere that I concealed, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana powder, and I'm gonna focus this just on the areas where I use the concealer. So for me, it was right around my eye area and around my nose. Since I have dry skin, I don't actually go all over my face with a setting powder, especially when I'm in a hurry. If you have oily skin, I would suggest going all over your face with some sort of setting powder, but for me, I'm gonna go ahead and skip that. Alrighty, face is done, so we're already gonna move on to our brows. And for our brows, I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl Brow Pencil. This is the Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Honey Brown. So I normally just start by lining the beneath part of my brow just to get a baseline, like so. And then I just go ahead and gently feather in the rest of the brow. All right, so brows are done. Now we're gonna just focus on the eyes and the rest of our skin, and we're actually gonna use some multi-use products here. So I'm gonna go in with bronzer first, and this is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock On World. I love this bronzer. So first I'll go in and use this to bronze up my skin. So I like to kind of just put it in like a 3 motion like this. You guys can see? Just acts as like a quick contour and a bronze. So just gonna do that on both sides. And then using that same bronzer, I'm just gonna dip a fluffy eyeshadow brush in there, and I'm gonna run this on my crease just to define out my eyes. This is just gonna add depth and definition to the crease of our eyes. And then I'm also gonna bring it beneath my eyes as my lower liner as well. Then we're gonna jump in with highlighter, and my absolute fave from the drugstore is this one from Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm gonna pop this on my cheeks to highlight, because even if I'm in a rush, I still gotta glow. We're gonna get that glow going down the nose as well. Then using that same highlight, I'm gonna use a tiny little definer brush, and I'm gonna pop that into my inner corner and also right beneath my brow bone, just to emphasize those areas. Next, we're gonna jump in with mascara, and I have been loving the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara recently. There are literally so many good mascaras from the drugstore. I could do like a whole video on it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys would like to see that. There are so many good ones, but this is just the one that I grabbed today. And I'm just gonna go in and coat both my upper and lower lashes with this. And I like this one for every day because it gives the lashes a very defined look. Alrighty, and then to finish off this super easy look, the last thing we have left is our lips. I do like to line them if I have a couple extra seconds because I do just really feel like it defines the lips throughout the entire day. So I'm gonna go in with Nude Whisper, and this is from Maybelline. So I'm just gonna do a quick outline of my lips. I feel like I always try and talk while I'm lining my lips, so then I just end up sounding super weird. And then all over the lips, I'm gonna go in with this Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color. So this is like a lipstick and a lip gloss in one, so it's gonna further save us some time. And this is the shade Crush. I'm just gonna pop this guy on my lips. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it. That is the completed look. It's literally so easy, so quick. I do it all the time, so I really hope that this helped you guys. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!